Thank you.
See in the front though. Don't worry.
Mama.
No, not right now, sweetie. There's a lot of people up there right now. We'll just have to wait.
Hey Natalie, how bumpy is it? Is it really wavy?
Yeah.
Show us.
Wavy.
How wavy is it?
Just wavy.
That wavy? How does it make you walk?
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa!